Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. Today, I'm going to share with you a online purchase that I made from Beebeecraft.com. So I'm going to share you the unpacking of the package that I have, and I just received it today. So let's jump right in and let's check it out. BB.com or Beebeecraft really, actually this is the second time I ordered from them. They really pack their items really nicely. Because BB.com is more on jewelry making, like beads and everything. And as I mentioned, I really wanted to start. I tried, and I think I am enjoying it, making some bead making. Not actually jewelry, but bead making. And this is one way of enhancing your craft when you try to include some beads on it. Oh wow, there's a lot. Oh, wonderful. Okay, let me just set everything aside and take out that plastic. There's my items that I ordered. Alright, the first one that I'm going to show is this one. Look at this. This is a very nice resin charms. So let me just open it up. Take out the plastic. There we go. And one particular thing that I like to get from Beebeecraft.com is like their delivery is free, well, in a certain amount of purchase that you need, and they deliver between 5 to 7 days, and that's free shipping. Oh, how wonderful. Look at this one. Look at these charms. They are so pretty, aren't they? See? There's charms there. And you can use this in your cards, or you can use it in jewelry making, bead making, okay? It's beautiful. And then I got fish tails, mermaid tails. You know how I love under the sea projects. Anything under the sea, I love it. There we go. Oh wow, this is beautiful. And wow, look at those mermaid tails. It comes in color blue and pink, and I think they also have silver. You see that, girl? They are so gorgeous. This is nice to use on your cards as well as make charms out of them. All you need to do is stick on the bail, and it's gonna hold. I will show you one of these days. So that's it. And then I got some Halloween charms as well, like cabochons. Oh, there's a lot. I think these are Halloween. Yeah, I am starting to pick things for Halloween. Oh, they're so pretty as well, and they're big sizes. Sorry for that noise that it makes. That's part of it. So you got a Halloween pumpkin and another kind of pumpkin and a scarecrow, and you got in an owl. I think they got two different kinds of owl, and you got this skeleton, and you got this from the, what do you call that movie, character in Nightmare Before Christmas. There you go, I remember. And they also get a hat. I hope you can see it. There's also a hat there. And a mummy. Well, and there's another funny witch hat over there. And that's just the designs they have. These are all just the designs they got, and there's all repeats. But they are so beautiful. Okay, we'll just set that aside over here. Okay, put that aside there. And next, I ordered some of this charms too. Still charms and cabochons. Okay, let's just cut this here. Okay, and these are I think metal charms. It's nice in Beebeecraft to get some items that are already under containers, because the items that you get are really sealed with tape. So there you go. Wow, this is beautiful. And you got, like, in one kind of design, you got 5 pieces. So as I told you, I like under the sea. I got a seahorse. That's a charm, and a fish, and it's made of metal. Then you got a sea dragon, if you can call it a sea dragon. Okay, can you see it? You got a skull. This is pretty, that skull, I like it. And then look at this. You will not see it not until you try to. Okay, it's a moon with a background. Okay, that is pretty neat. And you got a tree and a heart. Oh, this is like, this is not a tree, this is a seaweed that goes under the sea. Let's try to open this one and see what this one is. Okay, let's get one piece. Oh, it's a fairy. Beautiful. And the other one is an owl. Look at that owl. Okay. So that's it for my charms. And one thing nice, if they got containers, you don't need to be worried, because some of them are more than 5 pieces depending on the sizes. Some are a bit, maybe 10 or 20, I don't know, but maybe the bigger size like this fish, they only got 5, and the seahorse, they only got 5, but the rest are more than 5. So that's that. And then we go to the next one. This one, I ordered one already like this before, but I ordered again because the first that I ordered are all round beads. But this one, you get to have different designs. They are so pretty. This one is on sale, so there's a 25% off of this, so I only got this for $8. Everything, you know, these are some items that you can use to start your bead making. And they come with 2 wires. You could use this for a headband. And they got some scissors and a lobster clasps and some strings to start your, it's like a beginner's it's a beginner kit, but this is already a good buy. Of course, one thing, I really don't want to pay for shipping, so sometimes when I buy through any online site, they would say free shipping on orders worth this much and this much, which is okay, because at least it's free shipping and you got to buy more, but then you buy more because you need more. Okay, so I got those. And oops, Here's the lobster claw that I ordered also. I am needing this because I don't have much of this, and it's pretty nice to have this. You know, I should have ordered more, but this is already 120 pieces, so that's a long way. This is very nice how Beebeecraft packed their items. It's packed like this. It's either packed like this, or they put sealed plastic on it, and then they still tape it up. But this one is not taped anymore. See, these are the lobster claws. You got that color, and I like these sizes. I like really these sizes. I don't like the big sizes. It's really cute, and they have color white, bronze, silver, gold, Tibetan bronze, and like glossy silver black. Yeah, awesome. And I got more. Hold on, just a few left. And I got also I am needing black beads for Halloween. Oh my god, I thought this is a little bit bigger when I seen it in the picture, but evidently they're small. I was wanting bigger than this one. See, it's all sealed again. All right, there you go. See, they're really small, and this is the biggest that they have. I was wanting a bigger one, but that's all right. I didn't realize that they got various sizes of the beads. Small. Okay. I'm not gonna open it and show you anymore, guys, because it might fall accidentally. So anyway, and then last but not the least, I suppose. Yep. This is the last one that I had in my package. I told you, getting ready for Halloween. Just the same thing, some charms that I got. These are so pretty charms, and they are big charms. It's got a spider. This is a different kind of, and you see this circle on this one. You can put a rhinestone or any bead on that. I think that's what's intended for. And okay, so I got 3 different kinds of spider there. Okay, so basically, and here's another kind of spider. See, I got 4 kinds of spider. Yep, that's it. And for charms, that one, they are pretty charms. Nice one. Getting ready for Halloween. And of course, can't live without this heart charms. Oh my god, they are so pretty. I mean, when you see it on their site, you wouldn't know, oh, it's not nice and doesn't look good, but look at them. They are so shiny and clean, and they're not like, you know. And these are some different heart shapes of charms for your bead making, either jewelry or bead making, whatever you want to do. The one reason I picked it because they had a lot of variations of the heart. See, and I think I got this for $7. They're not really that pricey, and besides, I didn't pay shipping because I got a lot. So, and which I wanted to, because they are really so cute. See, there are the charms, heart charms that I got from Beebeecraft. Okay, Beebeecraft.com is a very good store. Their service is perfect. Their delivery is awesome, and their items is really fantastic. Okay. So other than this, I just like to share with you so this is what I ordered from online just a few days ago. And but the previous one that I ordered, this one from Beebeecraft. Actually, I started playing with it already. Those are also cap charms, cap beads. That's what you call it. And like I said, I also got this from Beebeecraft over here. These are cap beads also, I think. These are also cap beads. Let me show you from here. There. Okay. Show you some of their designs. There. Call it cap beads. I'm gonna share you the design so that you'll be inspired and you might want to purchase also from Beebeecraft, because once I think these are also items made in China. I don't know if this is also coming from China or they do have a stock here in a warehouse somewhere here in the US, and that's why delivery is faster, I think. Okay, so I'll leave that there. I'll just put that back later. And this is what I got also from, this is the first one I got from Beebeecraft. All the round beads, and they're so pretty cute. Very pastel color like. It's like so candies. And just the same with this one, it goes with the two headbands, the scissors. This one I got it also from them, but I did not receive any this time from this package. Oh, maybe because it's already on sale, that's why. These are what you call head pins. This one came from them, but they didn't send me one like this in this pack over, because this was I think is on sale, that's why they didn't have it. And actually the regular price for this is $11. Yep. So anyway, I hope I was able to share what I got from beebeecraft.com. Visit their site. They have lots and lots. And one thing nice about them, they ship fast. That is the very most important thing. They ship fast and their items have good quality. Until my next project, I'll show... actually before I leave, I wanted to share with you what I started making for jewelry making, or like bead making. These are the ones that I made. See? A friend of mine gave me a lot of beads, and most of this came from her. And I told her, what am I going to do with those beads? I said. And then because of the influence of YouTube channel, because of their influence, I was able to start doing it, and I really enjoy it. So this is the ones that I made from the very first ones that I made. See, I got a starfish from there. I hope you could see it there. Anyway, I'm gonna show more of this, and you can just put it that way. You know, these are not actually jewelry making. It's sort of a charm or a task or something that a keychain that you could display it on your cards or box or planners or journals. So hope you like what I did. So until my next project, I'll be showing you more of those. You stay safe and God bless you all. Bye for now.